Hey there foodies, are you tired of using plain old water in your cooking? Want to add more flavor and nutrition to your dishes without using chemical seasoning? Then you're in luck because I've got a perfect solution for you. Homemade vegetable broth. All you need are some essential ingredients like kelp, onion, garlic, carrot, ginger, and shiitake mushrooms. But don't worry, you can get creative with other veggies you have lying around. Wash the vegetable thoroughly and if possible, use the skin and the roots as well. Cut them roughly and put them in a pot with 5 liters of water. Let it boil and then simmer on low heat for an hour. Strain out the solids and voila! You've got yourself some tasty homemade veggie broth that's perfect for soup, stew, and any dish that needs a flavor boost. You can store it in the fridge for up to 5 days or in the freezer for several months. And that's it for today. Stay tuned for more easy and delicious recipe from your favorite foodie. Until next time, happy cooking! 안녕!